In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink to text in Tableau using worksheet or dashboard URL actions. Whether you're working on a new project or modifying an existing one, being able to link to external web pages directly from your Tableau visualizations can enhance the interactivity and the user experience of your data presentation. To start, let's launch Tableau in your preferred web browser. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and log in with your credentials. For new users, just take a moment to sign up and set up your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to decide whether you're working with an existing workbook or starting fresh with a new one. Click on an existing workbook if you have one prepared, or choose to create a new one to begin from scratch. Now that we have our workbook set up, navigate to either the Worksheet or Dashboard menu located at the top of your Tableau interface. From there, select Actions. This will open up the Actions dialog box, which is a crucial step in our process. Inside the Actions dialog box, you'll want to click on Add Action and then choose Go to URL from the list of available options. Once you've selected Go to URL, a configuration dialog will appear. Here, it's important to give your URL action a name that will help you easily identify its purpose later. This could be as specific as link to company website or open sales report, depending on your needs. Next, you'll select the worksheet or dashboard from which you'd like this action to originate. This ensures that when users interact with your visualizations, they have the option to explore your linked content. The next step involves deciding how this action will be triggered. Tableau offers several options for this: hover, select, or menu. If you choose hover, the URL will open when users simply hover over a mark. The select option requires a click on the mark to activate the link. Alternatively, the menu option places the URL in the tooltip menu when a user hovers over or selects a mark, allowing them more control over when to open the link. Once the trigger mechanism is set, it's time to enter the full URL you want to link to. Keep in mind, you can utilize dynamic data by embedding field values or parameters into your URL. This is easily done by clicking the Insert menu next to the URL box and selecting the fields or parameters you'd like to include. Finally, decide on whether you want the URL to open in a new browser tab or window, or in the same tab or window. This choice affects user navigation and can impact how seamlessly users transition between your visualization and the external content. And there you have it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to text in Tableau using worksheet or dashboard URL actions. This feature offers an interactive element that can greatly enhance your data presentations by guiding users to additional resources or complementary data.